Alright guys, on the Civic 2022 and up, I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to take out this plastic above the cowling, because we're gonna be taking out the wiper arms and taking out this wiper motor underneath this plastic piece right here. So this is the tools so far that I'm gonna need: ratchet with the extension, 14 mil socket, plastic interior tools, and then a clamp right here. This clamp, I believe I got this from Amazon. Taking out this wiper arm right here. Easy. All right, let's get started. All right, so first take out that cap, cover that nut. We'll put a socket and then a ratchet. Let's slowly take this thing out without using that clamp. I'm gonna take out this hose right here, see if I can pull it off. No, you can't. We'll just use this little interior trim, this retainer trim right here. Just rock it left and right. There you go. It's out. Alright, so I learned this from before. Without using the tool, we'll just rock this forward and back, just like that. There you go. Look at that. Easy. So before you take this thing out, you're gonna have to line it up. Put a tape right here, windshield glass, put a tape so that you know the alignment of this wiper blade sits on. It will be sitting on the tape where you put it. Same thing on the passenger side wiper arm. So put a tape on the glass before you take this out. On my case, I'm not gonna put this back because I'm taking out the engine. I'm gonna cut the frame. This is a parts car. I'm gonna take out the glass. I'm gonna put it on a Type R vehicle. So stay tuned on that. So let's continue taking this out. Same thing on the other side. All right, so next step, we're gonna take out this plastic piece right here. It looks like it's molded into the bottom of this glass. So we're just gonna use this trim tool right here. Just gonna lift it up and slowly comes out like this. Okay, there's a push pin retainer right there. It'll be the same thing, exactly what I'm looking here on the other side. So let's quickly pull this up, peel it off. There's a push pin right there. Alright, so there's tabs right down here. It's not like a push pin or anything, just tabs. So let's go on the other side. I kinda pry this up already. There we go. And then we'll move this whole thing forward of the vehicle. Just like that. This is the tabs I'm talking about. Right there. This thing, it doesn't move. It just kind of hooks underneath this frame right here. Yeah, there you go. That's how you take out this cowling cover. And then right there, expose all the transmission for the linkages on your wiper arm system. And you can see the cabin filter right there. And then this is the best time to take this out, guys. It looks like a 2 10 mil bolts right there. There's one right there. And disconnect the wire, and this whole thing will come out. So if you have a problem of motor problem or transmission linkages problem on your wiper system, that's how you take out this cover and quickly take out this whole assembly right there. That's it, just a quick video. Stay tuned. We're gonna be taking out this engine and transmission out. We're gonna strip this whole thing out because we're gonna cut the whole frame right here and then cut the side frame and the other frame as well for our parts car over there. That's it. Thank you. Thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. See you guys again on our next one.